Hi there, I'm Charlie, and we're going to take a quick look at embedding Twitter feeds into D2L. Let's go. As you can see, I'm on my Twitter page, and if I go to Settings, one of the options is to create widgets. So I click Widgets, and I've already created one previously. Let me delete that. I'll create a new widget, and I will tell it to use my username by default. I'm not going to change any of the default options here. It's just going to show my tweets, and it's going to give someone the option to tweet to me. I click Create Widget, and it gives me a little line. Well, not a little line, it gives me a big chunk of code. So I'm going to copy that onto my clipboard. I'm on a Mac, so that will be Command C. I could always highlight all of this text and right-click it and do a copy as well if I were on a PC. And I don't know what those keyboard shortcuts are. So copy that, and now I'll go to a D2L course, and let's go to my Mega Play Space course. And this is just a place where I play, and I'm going to go to Edit Course, and we have an option to change our home pages and also to create widgets. So I'm going to go to Widgets, and I'm going to click Create Widget, and I'll give the new widget a name called Twitter, and it's going to have some content, so I'll click Content. It gives me a little window to type the content in. What I need to find here is a little button called Insert Stuff. There it is, Insert Stuff. I'll click the Insert Stuff button. I'm going to enter an embed code. Now I have a place to paste that bit of code that Twitter gave me. I click Next. Insert, and we'll do Save and Close. Alright, so now the widget is created. Let's go take a look at it. There should be a preview option here. Here we go. There it is, my first Twitter feed and my first Twitter widget. Pretty exciting. Now, how do I add this to my course? Well, we go to Home Pages, and we can see that my current home page is Course Default, and that is the layout that is given to you by the D2L system. I'm going to create a copy of this so I can add my widget. So there's a pull-down menu. I click Copy. I'm going to go ahead and click the link here so I can change that name to something else, like my custom homepage. Alright. And if I scroll down, I will see that this is what's currently on my course homepage. We've got the news on the left with the content browser just below. We've got several widgets over here. I'd like to add my new Twitter widget. So I click Add Widget. And this should be a custom widget. It's one that I created. There it is. Add. It's now part of my page. I click Save and Close. Now, I need to make sure that my active home page is no longer the default, but my new custom home page. Apply. When I go back to the home page of my course, I should see my Twitter feed here at the bottom. And if I go to the student view, the Twitter feed is just below the calendar. Pretty cool, huh? And of course, if I don't like the way this looks, I can go back to my instructor role, go back to edit course, revisit my home pages, go to the custom home page, and drag that widget up to a higher location on the page, and save and close. Go back to my course home page, and we can see that the Twitter feed is a little further up the page. Pretty cool stuff. That's all you have to do to load a Twitter feed into your D2L course.